I'm Michael Moy, and the camera.
I'm Thomas Yu.
And this is our novel devices review. We're going to be reviewing the OUYA for the next 48 hours. It is an Android-based device that was released in the summer of 2013, and it was funded by Kickstarter online.
Yes, look at all those Kickstarters that you can't see.
Okay, so basically it's a game device that you can hook up to your TV and you can play Android-based games or develop on it freely.
And Michael will be using this exclusively for all his gaming purposes for the next 48 hours.
I believe the process of setting up is relatively straightforward. It uses an HDMI cord and plugs in through an AC adapter. It's a pretty small device. So we hooked it up to the TV. Where's the on button? Is that the thing on the top?
I don't know. You gotta find it.
Okay. Well, I believe the on button is this depression at the top of the device.
What if you're wrong?
Oh. So we have power, and we should switch the video mode to HDMI, and hopefully...
This is a very long startup process.
Oh, there we go. So the U, I guess that's the OUYA logo.
Yes, the U.
And there is an on button on the controller, which is what we're going to be using to control.
Oh.
Okay, so I've never seen this front screen before.
What do you think of it?
It's clean looking. I'm not sure what these menu items mean, but internet via maybe Ethernet, I think.
Wait, isn't there wireless?
Oh, there is Wi-Fi, so that's very useful.
Oh, very useful.
Oh, not responsive.
So the controller isn't very responsive. Yeah, as we're trying to enter in our password. Yeah, so now we have Wi-Fi connection and we're actually going to try playing the game now. Michael is not amused by these status messages.
My. I just saw the loading bar.
Oh, really? So there's a long load.
Other uses besides gaming.
Oh.
Including listening to music and watching movies. This is the demo version. So it seems like you can just try out any game before you actually buy it.
What do you think of that?
I think that's a neat feature. Though it's like a requirement for all developers. Oh my. So, my first reaction is that the frame rate is quite choppy.
How does the controller feel? Does it feel natural?
The controller itself feels alright. It's just that it's kind of laggy.
So there is a delay?
Sure. Yeah, the delay, I'm not sure if it's with the actual game, controller to the system, or what.
Okay, so after another egregiously long download process, we're playing No Brakes Valet.
I didn't.
Oh, no.
Is actually this time pretty responsive with the controller. The game itself is pretty fun.
Do the sticks feel good? Are the buttons responsive?
It feels like any other controller. The triggers are not very good, I'd say.
Oh, it says terrible. You did terribly.
Okay, so it's finally been 48 hours. And I've been using this OUYA whenever I wanted to play some games, or maybe even just use any of the features of it daily. I found out that it has a lot more features than just playing games. You can actually just watch videos online, use Twitch, listen to music on it too. I also found out that there are a lot wider range of games.
Yep, and we even used a mobile phone to control the game, which is really cool. Mm-hmm. So what was your experience? How do you feel about, in general?
Well, I'm happy I know what it's like, but I don't think I'd ever buy one. This seems more of something that you play right before you go to the bus, but for that reason, you might as well just use your phone if you're going to just play Android games.
So as the observer, there are a couple of things I noticed. OUYA did not seem like a very good device. So Michael always seemed really bored. It was just his eyes were just kind of glazed over, not really paying attention. It seemed like he didn't want to be there at all. Leads me to believe that this is a really bad device. There were some really fun times that we had, and so I guess I wanted to experience this for myself. We'll see if this is fun or not. Oh, play. Let's go. I'm just like clicking and... Okay, fatal error in action number 1 of step event for object. Okay, and it crashed. Okay. It's like the stupidest thing ever. Okay.